Hey everyone, Ashley here, and I'm first starting out with this pink shade, lightly applying it into my crease, blending up towards the brow bone, leaving a little space in between, but just using little circular motions to have a soft blend and gradient on the top edge, just slowly building up the color. Be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post a video. Once we have that blended out, I'm going to dip into this brown shade. I'm going to be concentrating this color in the outer corner, just blending up into the pink, slowly building up the color, kind of packing it on and then blending it upwards. Sweeping it a little bit onto the middle of the lid, just using little swiping motions side to side, being very light-handed. Dipping it more into the color to build it up a little bit. I'm next going to add a little bit more depth with this black color, using a smaller brush to concentrate this lower and tighter into the outer corner, and just softly blending it into the brown. I'm using a little bit of this color, just slowly building it up, because if you start with too much, you can't obviously move backwards, so just slowly building it up using little circular motions and swiping motions to blend into the surrounding pink and brown. On the top edge, I'm using little circular motions. You can go back in with the larger brush to help blend out a little bit, but just start with a little bit at a time and just slowly blend it out. This will just give a smoky effect in the outer corner. Dipping into this green, applying that all over the lid, and this gold for the inner corner. Blending it out, adding this nude shade on the lower lash line, blending it out with the circular brush. Next, I'm drawing on a wing with this green eyeliner. I'm following the upward slope of my lower lash line where the tape was, and just slowly working my way in towards the inner corner by using little feathering motions, just slowly connecting little lines versus trying to draw it all in one swipe. Going over it a second time to just clean up my lines and make sure everything is opaque. I'm also drawing on an inner corner wing, just cleaning everything up one more time. Next, I'm going in with a nude eyeliner on the lower waterline, adding mascara as well as false lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look. Please tap the like button if you did, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye! Thank you for watching.